Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on data release day of core inflation data in US. So what is important of that one? Because it's being expected to go higher than these levels. All right, before starting in US, we have received this morning the data release, inflation data release in China and in Germany. So in China, we have seen 1.5 inflation rate, and this is core inflation. We have seen producer prices inflation index is 13.5. This is the highest level since 1995. I'm saying 1995, so almost like a 30 years. In 30 years, this is the highest point. Reason: energy prices, coal prices, and oil prices are the main driver in this one. Electricity production in China is mainly from more than half of that one is from coal mining. So the prices of coal has just surged to really high levels in a previous month, so it affected the price of electricity, and there has been a lot of blackouts even. And then right now it's just like easing because they just made a lot of efforts and to maintain this level. All right, and after this data release in China, we have seen another increase in Germany inflation, that it has risen 4.1 to 4.5. So another inflation increase in US is being expected this afternoon. It will be released in 2 hours. We will receive that data, and then it will affect the markets. So today's video, we will just check dollar index and DAX, German DAX index, and also gold prices. What's happening in these charts? We will just talk about that one. Yesterday, we have received the data of PPI in US, and as expected, month over month, it has risen 0.6. And with that data release, dollar index has fallen and rebounded from these support area, and now it's trading just in the middle, but another decline is being expected today after data release of inflation data. Because if you just compare the things, energy prices in US as well are rising, so it is triggering another inflation thing. If it wasn't like that, Biden wouldn't ask OPEC plus countries to make more production in oil and lower the prices. That's we can understand from that clue. So inflation is not going down, it's going high. Even Fed Bullard last night, he just said that inflation it may not be transitory, and we may have to make rate high more than sooner than expected timeline. He said like this. So we see that inflationary scenario is happening right now. As I said, after data release, if we see really just even expected numbers, will just cause another decline in dollar index. If we see a surprise, just a slight decline in inflation, it will just go high like this. I just want to tell all the scenario, but a lot of people doesn't believe a decline in inflation possible. All right, let's look at what's happening in DAX market.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
DAX index is not moving ahead. All right, as you can see on the chart, it is trading just on a 16K level. It's not going up or down, but it is just struggling right now. It is just struggling to go further. Yesterday, it has tried just lower areas, 15,950, 15,970 areas. It has been tested last yesterday afternoon and this morning as well. It has been tested. Right now, it is trying to be over 16K. That's a critical period, but as I said from the beginning of our chart and then for the last couple of days, a couple of weeks actually, and it hasn't made any correction from 15K. You see from this point it's only rising. If we don't count this small one, just because it wasn't not that expected correction, it's only rising. At a point it has to fall and make that correction. So please just watch this level carefully, and then you can make good money on the fall. And if you don't see really big progress in German market, we don't expect to see a higher level of German DAX index to test higher levels. Right now, as you can see here, it is only struggle to break these resistance, but cannot. All right, let's look at gold prices. All right, we are on gold prices, and as you can see here, the expected happened. So gold has tested this 1832 level, but it got rejected from that level. It couldn't stay there, but still it's closing close to that area. Reason is it will make another trial if we see a negative data. If you just look at data in inflation, US inflation side, so it will make another retest, another trial on this chart. And if it gets rejected, then there will be nothing to wait. It will just make a sharp decline, so you can just take profit on selling that one. And also when it makes that small buy option in these retests, we can just make money as well. Let me just show you how it happened. As you can see here, it has tried that one, just fall, made another try, then it just started to fall. So from this area, it is just from this below area, deep area, it is rising. And as you can see here, if it cannot go higher than this level, we are expecting a decline until to 18K level in gold after rejection. I'm saying if it can be successful over 1830 for a couple of hours, maybe a daily closure, then we can expect to go higher levels on a bullish scenario. But right now a lot of people just prefer to be on stocks, and then they want to make some more money in stocks. All right, thanks so much for watching us. We will be together on more news in afternoon, especially after data release. We will talk about the possible scenarios on this one. And also today we will receive continuing jobless benefit claims and US crude oil stocks. We will talk about them in afternoon. Have a nice day. Bye.